This is a solution to a 3-mark question that appeared in 2018 CBSE Class 10 board paper. This question appeared from the topic areas related to circles, specifically areas of sectors of a circle. Let's get started. Find the area of the shaded region in figure given below, where areas drawn with centers A, B, C and D intersect in pairs at midpoints P, Q, R and S of sides AB, BC, CD and DA respectively of square ABCD of side 12 centimeters. We need to find out the area of the shaded region. What are we presented? We are presented a square of side 12 centimeters. How is this area carved out? We are basically taking away 4 parts away from it. 1, 2, 3, 4. All of these 4 parts essentially have been drawn with centers as A, B, C, D, which are the vertices of the square, such that they meet each other and they are of equal length. That's essentially the idea. And they meet at the midpoint. So let's get started. ABCD is the square that we are talking about. Side of the square is equal to 12 units. The question explicitly mentions that PQRS are the midpoints of the 4 sides. Therefore, AP will be equal to 6 units, so will PB be equal to 6 units, and each of these parts will be equal to 6 units. We need to find out the area of the shaded region. What is the area of the shaded region? It's got 2 parts for us to find the area. First, this shaded region is enclosed in the square ABCD. So let's find out the area to find the area of the shaded region. Area of shaded region is equal to area of the square. That's the easiest thing to do. Let's find that out. From that, let's subtract the areas of 4 parts, 1, 2, 3 and 4, which are in white, which are not in gray. What are each of these things? Each of these things are basically sectors with a radii of 6. These sectors subtend angle of 90 degrees basically because these sectors have been drawn with the vertices of the square as its center. The angle at the vertex of any square is equal to 90 degrees. So the angle subtended here is equal to 90 degrees. So what we are going to do, we are going to subtract the area of 4 of these sectors. Whatever is left is going to be the area of the shaded region, which is in gray. So we'll do both these things. Let's find out the area of the square, which is very easy. Subsequently, let's find out the area of 4 of these sectors and subtract it from the area of the square. Part 1, area of the square. Side of the square is 12 units. So area is equal to 12 into 12, which is equal to 144. So part 1 is done. Part 2, we need to find out area of the 4 sectors. So which is equal to 4 into all of these 4 sectors are equal sectors. Because they subtend the same angle, they have the same radii. Area of any sector is equal to theta by 360, where theta is the angle that it subtends at the center, which in this case is 90, into area of the circle, which is equal to pi r square. So in our case, theta is equal to 90, so it is 4 into 90 divided by 360. Let's take the value of pi to be equal to 3.14. The radius measures 6 units. AP or PAS is going to be the radius. So this is equal to 6 into 6, which is equal to 36. 90 by 360 is a 4. 4 gets cancelled with this 4 to leave us with the area of the 4 sectors to be equal to 3.14 into 36. What's that calculation? 3 into 36 is 108. 0.1 into 36 is a 3.6. 0.04 into 36, 36 fours are 144. So 0.04 into 36 is a 1.44. If you add all of this, 3 plus 1, 4, 0.6 plus 0.44 will make it as 5.04. 113.04 is the area of these 4 sectors. So we have found out part 2. The area of the shaded region is obviously 1 minus 2. 144 is the area of the square. Minus 113.04 is the area of the sum of 4 sectors that we have here. So the remaining is going to be the area of the shaded region, which is equal to 30.96 square units. So area of the shaded region equals 30.96 square units. Quickly summarize all of what we have written here in a printed form. Side of the square is equal to 12 units. PQRS are the midpoints of the respective sides AB, BC, CD and DA. Therefore, we have derived that AP equals PB equals BQ equals QC. All of these will measure 6 units each. Radii of the 4 arcs drawn with ABCD as the centers will therefore be equal to 6 units. What do we have to find out? Area of the shaded region, which has got 2 components to be found. One, area of the square of side 12. From that, we need to find out, subtract the sum of the areas of the 4 equal sectors. Why are they equal sectors? They subtend the same 90 degrees because they are drawn with the vertices of the square as a center. All of them have the same radii, so they are equal sectors. 4 such equal sectors. We're going to find out the area of the square, which is square of the side 144 units. Part 2, let's find out the area of the sector. Each sector subtends an angle of 90 degrees. So area of each sector is 90 by 360 into pi r square. 90 by 360 is a 1 by 4 into 3.14 into 36. So sum of the areas of all 4 sectors is 4 times this value. These two get cancelled. 3.16 into 36 is 113.04. So you have found out the area of all 4 sectors. Subtract that from area of the square. We'll have the area of the shaded region, which equals 30.96 square units. Quite an easy question. The only thing is you need to know basically that this number is equal to 90 degrees and this radius is equal to 6 units. Supercharge your math quotient. Sign up today for online CBSE math classes at online.maxtute.com. I'll repeat it, it's online.maxtute.com. And before you leave, check out the related videos and remember to subscribe to this channel.